Almost 75% of the messengers, they were sent to the Jews. They did not do the job. And the Arabs, they were considered as the ignorant people of the world. They should do tawaf around the Kaaba naked. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made these Arabs the torchbearers of the world. So if you do not do a job, يَسْتَبْدِلْ قَوْمًا غَيْرَكُمْ, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will substitute in your place another people, ثُمَّ لَا يَكُونَ أَمْثَالُكُمْ, and they will not be like you. And we Muslims, we ruled Spain for 800 years. We did not do the job. Later on, the Christian crusaders came and they wiped out the Muslims. There was not even a single Muslim who could openly give the adhan, that is a call for prayer. We Muslims, we did not do the job. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala substituted in our place someone else. I would like to ask you a question. That who do you love the most in this world? Who do you love the most in this world? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. MashaAllah, it's a simple question and the answer is also simple. We love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala more than our mothers, more than our fathers, more than our children. Do we or do we not? Yes or no? Yes, we love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala more than anyone else. Believe me, wallah, we say it, but do we actually mean it? Suppose, if one day you go for work, and while you're away, your neighbor, he abuses your mother. He uses foul language against your mother. When you come back home, you realize that your neighbor, he has abused your mother. He has used foul language against your mother. What will you do? If your neighbor, he has used foul language against your mother, he has abused your mother, what will you do? Some people might say, we will punch him. Some might say, we'll kill him. If someone abuses your mother, if someone uses foul language against your mother, you want to kill him, you want to punch him. Why? Because we love our mother. If you cannot do the job, you will hire someone else, but you will do the job. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Maryam, chapter number 19, verse number 88 to 92. وَقَالُوا اتَّخَذَ الرَّحْمَنُ وَلَدًا. They say that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has begotten a son. لَقَدْ جِئْتُمْ شَيْئًا إِدًّا. You have come with a thing most monstrous. تَكَادُ السَّمَاوَاتُ يَتَفَطَّرْنَ مِنْهُ. Had the sky had feeling, it would have split open. وَتَنْشَقُّ الْأَرْضِ. And the earth split open. وَتَخِرُّ الْجِبَالِ. And the mountains fall to utter ruin. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that if the skies, they would have feelings, they would have split asunder. The earth split open and the mountains fall to utter ruin. But to us Muslims, it is making no difference. We say we love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala more than our mothers, more than our fathers. But do we actually mean it? If someone abuses our mother, if someone uses foul language against our mother, you want to kill him, you want to punch him. Here every day, our non-Muslim friends, our colleagues, they are saying that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has begotten a son, and we Muslims, we can't even open our mouth. I'm not telling that you punch them, I'm not telling that you kill them, but at least open your mouth. And we Muslims leave aside correcting the non-Muslims, we become a party to them.